Hey everybody, I have some breaking news. I have Manti Te'o's girlfriend right here. I don't know if you guys can. Hold on, let me see. Yep, there she is. Hey, what's up, Manti Te'o? Girlfriend. Yeah, she's kind of shy. Yeah, but that's Manti Te'o's girlfriend right there. I don't know if you know. That's what she looks like. Yeah, but anyway, I saw this Katie Couric interview with Manti Te'o, and I have to say that I'm officially done with this whole Manti Te'o story. I'm probably not gonna do no, but I'm doing a video about it, so I can't really be too over it. But this is probably my last video ever talking about Manti Te'o. I just don't think it's that interesting of a story anymore. Like compared to Lance Armstrong, who lied, cheated, sued people, this is kind of not even in the same category. Even though Skip Bayless first take said it's even bigger than Lance Armstrong, but me personally, I don't think it is because one, he didn't win the Heisman Trophy. If he had won the Heisman Trophy, I think that you might have a case because then this would have helped him win the Heisman Trophy. This story of his girlfriend dying would have got him the Heisman, but he didn't get the Heisman Trophy. So even if he made up the whole story to get the Heisman Trophy, it didn't work, and now he just looks stupid. People think that he's either a liar, or that he's crazy, or that he's gay. So in the end, he didn't really win anything. He didn't really accomplish anything. So even if he made this whole thing up, I think people should just let it go, forgive him. He didn't do anything that wrong. There's a lot worse things you can do that I found out just a couple days ago. The worst thing you could do. There's a lot of people that, they eat their own tampon blood. I just found that out. Compared to that, I mean, this kid's pretty cool. I mean, he didn't really do anything wrong. In the end, he inspired us, even though it was fake. But I don't know, I'm just kind of done with this whole story. It's not really important. It doesn't really affect anybody's life. People should just move on. Let the kid live, man. Let the kid have a real girlfriend. Have a real life. Apparently, he did have a girlfriend while he was, this fake girlfriend, allegedly. Cause I saw pictures of him and some other girls, so I don't know. Maybe he did make it up. But tell me what you think about this whole Manti Te'o story. Are you guys over it, as I am? Subscribe to my channel, like my video. Bye.